Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Trello Scrum boards with card templates step by step clearly. Open your Trello board where you want to enable Scrum features. Click on the Show menu button located on the right side of your screen. From the menu, select Power UPS. In the Power UPS menu, search for card templates. Once you find the card templates power-up, click the Add button. After enabling the power-up, return to your board. To create a card template, click on the Add a Card button. Name your card template according to its purpose. Enter a description or checklist to specify details for your Scrum process. If needed, add labels, due dates, or members relevant to the template. Save the card to finalize the template setup. Now, click on the card you just created. Select the More option in the card menu. Choose Convert to Template to designate it as a template card. You can now use this template for future Scrum tasks. To create a new card with the template, click on Add a Card. Select Templates at the bottom of the card creation window. Choose the template you want to use for your new Scrum task. Fill in any additional details specific to this instance of the card. Finally, save the new card to your board. You are now set up to utilize Trello Scrum boards with customizable card templates. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.